Hi boys and girls, my name is Miss Garza and I'm a tutor at Bruni Elementary. You just listened to the story Pete the Cat, Valentine's Day is Cool. It's written by Kimberly and James Dean. If you haven't listened to the story yet, pause this video and click the link in the post. Now that you have listened to the story, let's think about and discuss some important parts of it. What is Pete writing at the beginning of the story? He is riding his skateboard home. Can you guess on what month this story is taking place? Remember the book title? The story takes place in February. They are talking about Valentine's Day. Did Pete think Valentine's Day is cool? Not really. At the beginning of the story, Pete did not think Valentine's Day was cool, but his friend Callie makes him change his mind. What does Pete decide to do for his friends on Valentine's Day? He made beautiful Valentine's cards for everyone. What did Pete forget when he arrived to Callie's party? He forgot something, remember? He forgot to make a card for his friend Callie. She didn't mind because friendship is what matters the most. That's what she said. Take a moment to think about Valentine's Day celebrations. Now, let's think about things you do on Valentine's Day. What is it that you do on Valentine's Day? Now, write about your favorite part about Valentine's Day and what you like to do. Once you're done writing, draw a picture to go with it. Post your writing and picture in the comments below. We would love to see those drawings. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to check if you can take the AR quiz number 16354.